I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now.
You know, I know there's a few people that say that the 4-year halving cycle is dead. So far, it is not. The previous two halving cycles, exactly 18 months before in both of them, the Bitcoin bottom priced. And then came November, which was 18 months before the next halving, and that's where the low was set of $15,600 per Bitcoin or something. So that is scaringly precise, or very much a pattern that 18 months before the price bottom. So I honestly, I am very bullish for this year and next year and the following year, because it seems like that cycle is intact. Furthermore, in 21, end of 21, the Fed started going hawkish, and FTX took $4 billion that was supposed to buy Bitcoin and under normal circumstances would push the price higher. They took that 4 billion people from their clients and bought real estate and other good stuff for their family members and for themselves. So I think that's the reason we never got the top that we got. But the reason I'm bringing it up with the Fed also is that, so that cycle was negatively impacted by the Fed going hawkish. Now they are with a super high interest rate. Something is gonna break. There's already been cracks in the dam. Something is gonna break, and they're gonna have to revert to printing or lowering interest and lowering interest rates, because the US government cannot afford this interest rate on this debt. US has a military the size of the next 7-8 countries combined, the budget. And right now, the interest rate just on the debt of the United States is equal to the military. I'll end it there. So I'm very bullish for this cycle to be intact and see a top between 200 and 500,000, I think, in 25. But I don't know, so it's not financial advice.